Yeah?
Small waterfall.
Small waterfall, but it has destroyed things over time. Man, just the way things have been carried away. Oh my goodness! Yeah? Oh my goodness! It has destroyed for it. You know, when this water go down there, it carries different things. You see, like the way the soil has been destroyed over here because of the heavy rainfall. It has destroyed things here, guys. Hey, Ben is taking shower. Sometimes I wonder. Yeah, guys, this water was telling you, and I'm going at the crate, but I don't know if someone has finished taking a shower there. Just see this water, guys. It's amazing, crazy one. Anyway, guys, enjoy the video. Keep tuned. What's up, guys? My name is Garacha. If you're new here, thank you for coming, and thank you for returning subscriber. As always, come to watch my video. I appreciate a lot, guys. You're amazing people. So guys, today good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this video from. Yeah, I'm coming live from Nyabuhanse village, East Africa, Kenya. Actually right now it's morning around 10 a.m. So guys, you have been mmenizoea in Swahili, mmenizoea, like you have been seeing me shooting video in Nairobi city where I'm studying, but right now I'm at the village. For those people who are not aware, I'm at the village, and this is our normal routine as a village boys. Usually we do this. Yeah, so right now, guys, the video is different from the other yesterday. Yeah, I just arrived yesterday and we had a good time with my family, my friends. I've missed them a lot. And guys, guess what? This is just a typical normal routine as our village boys. We have my brother there, Ben.
Hello guys,
Ben, show them what you are holding.
This is a jembe.
These are jembe and a panga, machete, guys. Yeah. Officially, no. For doing what?
We want to tide our cows down there, then we cut for them napier grass.
Yeah,
napier grass.
Exactly, guys. Just see this. This our goat. This small one, the kid over there, and we are going to. Yeah, this is just a typical normal routine here in our village. Actually, guys, today the weather is cool. Yesterday it was raining. If you have not seen my video, yesterday it was raining. If you go watch my video, it was raining, that much rain. Yeah, the weather is not good, but I know in the next maybe around 2 p.m. it will rain. Yeah, so guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Yeah, load to 5k subscriber. Yeah, make me happy, guys. At least I enjoy my 5k subscriber. So we're going to tie our cows just down there. Let me catch this, Ben. Yeah, we are just having 3 of them. Ben, turn. Ben, you know, guys, cows are usually very disturbing. Why? Yeah, so guys, we are going to tie our cow. This is just a normal routine here in the village every day. We're down. Actually, since I am alive, guys, I've never been down here. I'm seeing maize. This one have not planted maize yet. Whoa. Down. Hey guys, you know these things are very disturbing. Yes, they are very disturbing. Whoa. Oh, Ben be there. So me I be here, so they cannot eat the maize of people, guys. Yeah, this is how life is here. And a happy Saturday to you guys. Just see, people are still waiting for the second time. Just see. So guys, we're going down there. I don't know if you can hear the Sabbath people. We just have a church near here. Yeah, for the Sabbath people. Like for me, I do worship on Sunday. Yeah, it depends. Like for me, I was born where my family are going to church on Sunday, the Catholics. So from that time, yeah, that's how I end up being a Catholic. Depend where you are born, where you are brought from. Yeah. Ben, where are we going to tie them?
Just there, you know,
Oh, they have been
used.
Oh, the cow themselves know. You see, guys, people are still weeding. Hey, guys, just see these cows. They know exactly where they are going. They know exactly where they are going. Let's go. You know, guys, this napier grass help when. Oh, hey, you look stubborn, young man. You look stubborn. So we are going to tie over here, then we cut napier grass for them. And you know, guys, the use of djembe Ben have the pegs. You know the pegs? I know you're going to see we use the djembe. Let me show you. Or sometimes these pegs, you know, this one. Beni, tunaenda kutoi? Yeah, come remove. Ben is removing this peg. You see the work of djembe now, guys. Maybe you guys were wondering, what's djembe going to do? At least where there's some grass. Yeah, maybe put down there. Yeah, we tie them. Then yeah, that's the work of djembe, guys. Ben, come. Let me show them how. People say don't leave for Ben alone. This is the work of djembe, guys. And the work of machete panga is to do what?
To cut
The napier grass. Till down, guys, so that it make it hard for the cow to remove, so that they can go to maize and eat the maize. Let me bring this big one. Guys, over here there's a plenty of glass, so they will be able to. Ntembo. Ben,
yeah.
You want us to cross over here?
Yes.
Hano?
Let's just pass here.
These are sugar cane, Ben. For who?
I'm Laura's father.
Oh, these are people are planting sugar cane, guys. I think this one is for you, for
making sugar.
Processing sugar. Sugar cane. Wow, look nice. Yeah, special for making sugar, guys. Sugar cane, making sugar. Here right now, I think people will have a good harvest because of the good rain. Yeah, because you know when it's raining, guys, people make good nani. The maize are good. They're in good condition. It's been long since I was here. Hey, right now people have good harvest, you see. Tananaga nebe. Hadi han. Huh? Hadi. Hanu. What? Oh, actually, Marwas Villa is just near there, guys. Wow, it's been long since. Yeah. Rada hano. Ama hindi ka?
Auntie.
Ano kwering ka?
Eh?
You see, guys,
Now, tigo to ako.
this time people have come with idea that they come with. There's a drug, yeah, that they don't weed a chemical that kill the weeds. You see, so these days people don't weed like in past. Yeah, like in Hanoi, man, they got that. You see, guys, down here at the river, isn't good. Ano kweringa. Haki. You see, guys, water. You know, you see, there's difference up there and down here. The water I can say the flood have destroyed the crops. Let's go down there. The flood has destroyed the crops near the river, but up there, yeah, it's just okay. Plenty okay. Want to cut the napier grass, though it's not that, it have not grown that big, but we're going to cut it down. It's small, but we need to, because right now rain is raining. It's raining a lot, so we need to cut all of them down. It can start afresh. Yeah, it can start afresh. Village life, I love it so much. Because right now in city, people being, it's terrible over there. You just spend your whole day 24/7 indoors, guys. No place to visit freely, because over there you can be stolen anytime. You must be very careful. That's why I prefer village life so much. Guys, don't worry, I'm recording while cutting the napier grass. Ben is still tying the cover there, so he'll join me. Yeah, we cut down, so you see this way, down, so that it can start afresh, because right now the rain is too much. It will grow very fast. Very interesting, guys. Guys, I wish you a happy weekend as you enjoy your weekend, your family. Enjoy. Kevin, what are you saying, man?
You can cut
Oh, the big one. Oh, let me go cut the big one. Typical routine here in village. We love it so much. Yeah, guys, this is how we do it. The bang is sharp. You know, guys, we need to while
Can I
you are
help you?
cutting, just a minute. While you are cutting, you need to wear the heavy, like band, with the long sleeve jacket, so that while cutting, you know the skin rash. You get rashes because of this. And it's not preferable to cut it while the sun is hot. This mine. Hey Ben, your cutting is very fast.
I'm used to go.
I used to. Rocky koi. Kengaron orons. Maron. Takengaron. You know, guys, we are not going to cut too much of it because like we just add on them so that they don't eat grass alone. At least they can eat neighbor grass to add on. Yeah, they can be full. Huh? Oh, twin Sahara Turing. Yeah. Urusiak. Totan Sahara Turing. Yeah, guys, we're going to show you down there how the water has done. That's the reason why small children they are not swimming, because they can be thrown away, and it has destroyed things down there. The flood, guys. And actually we are very lucky because over here the rain is raining more, even more than at the city right now. But we are so lucky that the soil we have is room soil. The moment it rains, the room soil drain the water away. But down there at the river is terrible. I'm going to show you. Hey Ben, I've already. So we are not going to give it right now, right away. We're going down there to show you guys what's happening. After there, we'll show you. Kengaror. Tota. Oh. Yeah, guys, let's go down there. We'll show you what's happening. Ben, take that jembe. Your dad is over there. This cow is black. Black animal. Black animal. You see? Hey, Ben, be careful. You see? Yeah, guys, this is our Manchester United fan. Today we have a game and we're going to play. We're going to win.
Go just here.
Actually, guys, I've missed this job a lot. You know, I love it when I'm in the village. You know, while you're in village, it's just good vibe and inshallah. We just enjoy life. I just love village life. Yeah, let me add it as a rich. You can hear the music. This. Hey, where did they? No, we have. Take a rusi.
Never have. It's okay.
Hey, you must. The other one. Yeah, guys, there's a church there, the Sabbath people. Yeah, so guys, at least today the weather is cool. I'm so happy. Let me remove this. And they're eating napier grass as we are looking for the place to tie them. Go there, black animal. Black animal. Hey. These are just normal, typical routine. Hey, this may slide now look good. Come. Gange ba temiri hano bena mahindi. The weather is cool, Ben. What do you say about the weather today?
The weather is fine. You can't compare it with yesterday. Yesterday it was cloudy.
It rained in the morning, guys, around 6 a.m. till not noon even, around 2 p.m.
That one there.
Over there.
Yeah.
So let me tie this one. Come. Hanu. Oh, so I'm going to tie these three, guys. Come. And we have some cassava here. Pona kendata, come. Guys, you know this in village you must be very, very hard for this. So I'm going to tie it on these three. I'm tying it over here, guys. Wow. Yeah. It can't remove over here. Manganyu. Wait, let's go there. Let's go. Wait. Yeah. Oh. Let's go. So the other one is over there. And this one here. Bull. It will grow big. Huh? Igisibo? Yeah. So let me take this peg. We're going to use it over there. Come. This is how village is, guys. And it's very interesting. You know, in village you enjoy life. Take this. Oh, you want to put them too?
Yeah.
So let me bring it. You know, guys. Sorry, guys. Yeah, you know, it has been raining until the rain has destroyed different crops down there. I'm going to show you guys what's happening. The water is on top notch. The only thing that we're lucky here at the village, our soil is different. What type of soil do you have, Ben?
Here.
Yeah.
I think it is loam soil.
Loam soil. You know, guys, loam soil, the moment the water get inside, it, like, what can I say? It drink it. Yeah, it absorb it. Yeah. That's the good reason, the only that we are lucky here. That's why. But down there at the river, I'm going to show you guys, terrible things are happening there. People. That's why actually children right now, you know, in village children are usually go to swim in the river, but right now they can't swim in the river because of that. They can be swept away by water. Water can drown them away. That's the reason. Yeah. Igeke hano. Kuna ikende hara. So guys, the only thing that has remained is we cut the napier grass for them. Don't know what Ben is doing there. Yeah, sometimes you do use stones, you know, this one, to help the pegs go down, like this one. You know, this is the work of the stone sometimes. If we don't have a djembe, we use stones too. Machete. So guys, we just came here at the fish pond. This is the owner of the fish pond. Soon we are going to eat some fish over here. How many fish are here, man?
By now I can say that they are few in number.
Few number. Can you know exact number?
No.
Or
There
sometimes?
is a time I did harvesting inside here, so I can't approximate the
Oh,
number.
the number. So when are you planning to harvest again?
Maybe next week.
Next week?
Yeah,
For real?
for real.
I am coming to buy. How much do you sell? You will give me for free, man. You know, Manu is my best friend since we are in primary school. So maybe he may decided Ngiracha takes 5 of them or 2.
Of course.
For sure.
Yeah.
So next week, guys, I'll be eating fish, fresh fish from the fish pond over here. How much do you sell, Manu? One of fish, maybe. All how much do you sell?
150 to 200. That's the price.
Like one or
One
of them?
Yeah.
150 shillings, Kenyan shillings to 200.
Yeah.
It depends with the size of the fish.
Actually.
Oh, that's nice. So guys, next week you're going to eat some good fish here, and Manu is going to make a lot of money. Hey, Manu, you'll be rich.
Not rich at that point. But
And next week, maybe right now you are broke, but next week you'll be rich, right?
but we usually do this, then we invest.
For real.
That's way.
You know, in business, Manu, you must invest so that you can get profit. You go buy the they call it finger lids. Yeah, you put them here, you feed them. At the end of the day, they grow big, and you harvest to sell. Maybe how much do you buy the fingerlets?
One it costs around 5 bob to 4 bob.
Or 4 Kenyan shilling.
Yes.
And after 6 months, or
Not
how?
6 months.
3 months.
Actually, it's 8 months.
8 months.
8 months.
It's a lot of, almost a year. You sell it 150 to 200. It's a good one, because guys, imagine you have spent 8 months feeding them, and you have bought it maybe 5 shillings, and you come and sell it for 150. I think it's a good price, money. Yeah. So guys, next week you're going to eat fresh fish. Actually, you'll just give me one, I'll buy the other one, because this job is not easy, guys. Anyway, Manu, thank you for the good interview you have given me. See you, bro. Yeah, guys, we are going down there. I show you guys what's happening. Yeah, that was Manu. He is the one who feeding and harvesting the fish pond here at the village. Good. Well. Someone is taking bath down at the crate, but we won't go there. Just see the water. The way water it is over here. Hey, just see, guys. We have also the Nani. It looks like the waterfall. This just all of this water. We have a waterfall down there. Someone is taking bath at the crate, but over there we won't go. Hey, I may fall down here. Hey, guys, where? Just see, guys, this amount of rain. It looks like a crate, but where? It looks like a craybat over here. Where? Then it's taking shower. See just the way it has destroyed everything over here. All of this water, guys. Where? Ben,
Yeah,
you know you can be drawn away with this water.
I'm strong.
And right now, actually, you know they have destroyed soil over there. Just see. It have destroyed a lot of things down here. You see what I was telling you guys? It's now happening here at the village. Imagine guys, just see. The water itself have this. It look like a